Drop it. Yeah.
Increasing the temperature causes the particles, atoms, or molecules of the reactants to move more quickly so that they collide with each other more frequently and with more energy. The higher the temperature, the greater the rate of reaction. If you decrease the temperature, the opposite effect occurs. The particle moves more slowly, colliding less frequently and with less energy. The graph below shows the activity of enzymes that are found within the human body. We can take a look at it from two different parts, region A and region B, which are invisible but of course is predictable. The region A on the graph, the rate of reaction steadily increases, reaching its optimum point 37 degrees, and from there on the region B on the graph, the temperature is too hot, the enzymes are denatured, slowing down the rate of reaction, for example photosynthesis. Concentration refers to how much solute is dissolved in a solution. If a greater concentration of reactant, atoms, and molecules is present, there is a greater chance that collisions will occur among them. More collision means a higher reaction rate. Increasing the concentration of the reactants usually results in a higher reaction rate. At lower concentration, there is a less chance for collision between particles, which means that decreasing the concentrations of the reactants results in a lower reaction rate. Ready? Surface area is the measure of how much area of an object is exposed. For the same mass, many small particles have a greater total surface area than one large particle. For example, steel wool has a larger surface area than a block of steel of the same mass. This allows oxygen molecules to collide with many more iron atoms per unit of time. The more surface contact between reactants, the higher the rate of reaction. The less surface contact, the lower the reaction rate. Surface area can also be important if a reaction occurs between two liquids that do not mix. In this case, the reaction occurs only at the boundary where the two liquids meet. It is also important to note that not all reactions depend on surface area. If both reactants are gases or liquids that mix together, then there is no surface area, and surface area is not a factor. Yeah. The definition of a catalyst is a substance that speeds up the rate of chemical reaction without being used up in the reaction itself. Catalyst reduces the amount of energy required to break and form bonds during a chemical reaction. When catalysts are used, a reaction can proceed although less energy is added during the reaction. For example, enzymes are catalysts that allow chemical reactions to occur at relatively low temperatures within the body.